pretty shoulder-length hairstyles for women over 50. Number 1. Classic Lob. This haircut works on Diane Keaton because it doesn't compete with her spunky style. It's simple, flattering, and no nonsense. You can just smooth out the front section, allowing the back to dry naturally for a quick polished look. Alternatively, you can use a round brush to blow it out. A lot of people are afraid and think it will take so long, but the bigger the round brush, the larger the section you can take. So you could split hair into 4 sections, blow dry with a round brush, and be done in 5 or 10 minutes, says Leela. Number 2. Curly curtain bangs. We often associate bangs with wispy layers or a sleek blunt cut. But bangs are certainly for curly girls too. Exhibit A. This curly curtain style parting on Sandra Oh. Style with lightweight Moroccan oil curl control mousse to get volume and definition, without the crunch. Number 3. Wavy Lob. Voluminous layers and honeyed highlights, paired with a quick go-around of a 1-inch curling wand, will give you a stunning, do like Iman's above. Plus, if you have fine hair, this style is ace at faking volume. To achieve a wavy look with minimal effort, Vaquero recommends sleeping in twists. Create 2-strand twists and secure with a satin scrunchie, so as not to leave creases. This works especially well for straight to wavy hair. Number 4. Tapered volume. To recreate Meryl Streep's look, which appears more voluminous on top and thinner at the ends. Ask your stylist if you're a candidate to have your hair cut with hair-thinning scissors. Thinner ends bring balance to the volume at her roots, and can even cut down on styling time. Number 5. Lob with parted fringe. Bangs are the perfect way to bring dimension to a straight style, especially when you're working with a shorter length. Here, Viola Davis is wearing her layered fringe parted ever so slightly in the middle. It's especially flattering for a rounder face shape. Number 6. Feathered bob. Rather than looking choppy, Angela Bassett's layers are artfully placed with the shortest one side swept to achieve maximum volume. To replicate, first give yourself a blowout with the Hot Tools Signature Series 1-step blowout detachable volumizer, then follow up with a 1-inch curling iron and curl ends outward. Finish off with a strong hold hairspray to keep feathery layers shaped and in place all evening. Number 7. 70s inspired shag. The 70s had no shortage of middle parts or face-framing Farrah Fawcett layers. And Octavia Spencer's style features both. This modern take on the classic shag is all over the red carpet and doesn't appear to be going away anytime soon. Try it out if you've got medium to thick tresses. Number 8. Retro lob. A deep side part and a shiny, sleek lob are perfect for any occasion. For this cut, ask your stylist for blunt ends if you're looking to feign a thicker mane. When styling, flip out ends with a straightener for a fun retro vibe. Spritz with a shine-inducing spray for that perfect glossy finish.